letter of the day. Are you ready to be letter heroes? Let's get started. Our letter today is the letter C. Can you say C? Great. This is an uppercase C. This is a lowercase c. Notice how uppercase C and lowercase c, they look similar. Their sizes are different. This is how you make an uppercase C. You start at the top with a big curve around. A lowercase c looks like this. You start in the middle with a small curve around. Let's say it together. Uppercase C, lowercase c. One more time. Uppercase C, lowercase c. Great job! There's something special about the letter C. The letter C makes two sounds. The first sound that the letter C makes is K. That is hard C. Hard C makes the sound K, like in cat. Can you say cat? The word cup also makes the hard C sound at the beginning. Can you say cup? Great job! Both cat and cup start with the K sound. Notice my mouth when I make that sound. My teeth open up and I make the sound K. Great job! The second sound that C makes is the soft C sound. The soft C sounds like this. S. Can you make that sound? S. Like in the word celery. Can you say celery? Awesome. Another food that starts with the soft C sound is cereal. Can you say cereal? Did you hear the S sound at the beginning of celery and cereal? Notice what my mouth does when I make that sound. My teeth stay together and I make the sound S. It sounds a little bit like a snake. Soft C says S and hard C says K. Great job! Now it's time to search for the letter C in our sentence today. Here's our sentence. It says, clouds can look like clumps of cotton candy. Did you hear the K sound or the S sound? Let's go searching. If you see me point to a letter C, tell me to stop. Get ready, letter heroes. We're going to highlight the letter C's. The first word is clouds. I heard you say stop. There is a capital or uppercase C right at the beginning of clouds. Let's highlight it. I'll use my pink to highlight my C. Let's keep searching. The next word is can. I heard the sound again. There's hard C right at the beginning of can. Let's highlight it. Let's keep searching, letter heroes. Clouds can look. No C there. Like. No C there. Let's keep searching. Clumps. I heard you say stop. You found another letter C. At the beginning of clumps, there's a lowercase c. Let's highlight it. Okay, let's keep going. Of. No C there. Cotton. Another C. Great job, friends. Let's highlight this lowercase c. Last word. Keep searching. Candy. I heard the K sound at the beginning of candy. There's another C. Let's highlight it. Okay, letter heroes, let's count how many letter C's we found in our sentence today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We found 5 C's in our sentence today. Clouds can look like clumps of cotton candy. Now, friends, it's time for us to practice writing the letter C. Do you have something to write on and something to write with? Great, let's get started. This is an uppercase C. Watch me trace the uppercase C with my finger. Start at the top, curve up, touch the top line, curve around, touch the bottom line, and up just a little. That's an uppercase C. Let's practice writing it in the sky with our finger. Ready? Curve up, touch the top line, curve down, touch the bottom line, and up just a little more. Big curve for capital C or uppercase C. Let's practice writing that. Watch me make an uppercase C. Start up here at the top. I'm going to curve up, touch the top line, curve around, touch the bottom line, and up just a little. That's a great uppercase C. Let's make another one. Start up by the top. Curve up, touch the top line, curve around, touch the bottom line, and up. Uppercase C. Great job. Now let's practice making lowercase c. Remember, they look similar. Lowercase c is just smaller, and we start at a different place. This time we're going to start by the dotted line, and we're going to curve around, touch the dotted line, curve down, touch the bottom line, and up just a little. Let's practice writing it in the sky. Get your finger ready. Curve up, touch the dotted line, curve around, touch the bottom line, and up just a little. Nice job. Notice how I don't pick up my marker or my pencil or my finger when I'm making this letter. My pencil and my finger stay down the whole time. Watch me make a lowercase c. Start by the middle dotted line. Up, touch the dotted line, curve around, touch the bottom line, and up. Lowercase c. Let's make one more together. Start by the dotted line, curve up, touch the dotted line, curve around, touch the bottom line, and up. Lowercase c. We learned about a really great letter today. Uppercase C and lowercase c. It makes two sounds, k and s. Nice job, friends.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by, and by viewers like you. Thank you.